Good morning, boys and girls. What we're going to do right now is we are going to review the things that we've learned for your test on Chapter 1. Don't be nervous when I say the word test. I grade all the work that you do in here. Every paper you turn in gets a grade. A test is just a paper you turn in that gets a grade. So you've been doing these all along, but this is one that we just officially on the top say test. So the first thing that you want to do is remember the 4 forms that we have for a number. Numbers have 4 forms. Can you think of them in your head right now? The regular one that we're used to, that's called standard form. It's standard, it's regular, it's what we're used to. We have another form, word form. Word form uses what? Yeah, words. Okay, we have standard form, regular form. Word form uses words. And then we have expanded form. Lastly, we have the one where we don't worry about it so much as far as making pretty artwork, but we do have block form. Block form. So, to give an example of each one, standard form, let me think. There's a number. All right, I have a number, and that just means that it's standard. How would I put that in word form? Well, let me look at it. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones. How do I read that comma? That comma every single time in my brain means thousands. And then I chunk the rest. So I'm going to chunk this, and I'm going to chunk that. So can I read that number? I'm pretty sure I can. One what? Comma. 1,000. Now, can we read a 3-digit number? Can we read that? I'm sure we can. If I cover over that, 429. So then I write down those words. Oh, I'm almost off the screen. 400. Am I worried about the spelling right now? Not so much. And you do have a paper in your math folder that could help you with this. 29. Now let me just make sure. I'm going to say this aloud in my brain. 1,429. 1,429. If it matches, I've done it. Now for expanded form. Remember the trick that I told you? Go ahead and put your number in the house. We really don't care about the roof of the house as much as we do ones, tens, hundreds, ones, and let's make our comma fence in between our houses. How do we make expanded form? We bring down the front of the number, turn the rest to zeros. Then bring down the next place, that's the hundreds, turn the rest to zeros. Bring down the next place, tens, turn the rest to 0. Now bring down the last one, my ones. This should match that. And then all I have to do is take these numbers and add them. 1,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 9. Expanded form. Last but not least, it's block form. How many thousands blocks do I need? Just, it tells me, 1. I'm going to make a big block and I'm going to put TH in it. How many hundreds blocks do I need? It says 4. And I should put an H in these. Oh, it doesn't write very well at the bottom. So I know they're hundreds. How many tens do I need? Just 2. 10. I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. And how many ones? 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm not sure how I made that appear, but I did. So there is my block form. Boys and girls, if you know the 4 forms, you are ready for the first part of your test. You can do this.